Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm talking about how to log in into Oman Arab Bank and how to create an account if you're starting fresh. So first, for logging in, open your browser and go to the omanarabbank.com. On the homepage, top right, click Online Banking. You'll hit oabnetbank.com. I'm already on this website, as you can see. The secure login page. Enter your user ID and password. These come from when you signed up at a branch or online. Hit login, new device. You might need an SMS OTP. Punch that in and you're on the dashboard. So no account yet. Step 2, download the OAB online app. Grab it from the App Store or Google Play. Search OAB online, open it. Tap open an account and pick new customer. You'll need your civil ID for Omanis and resident card and passport for expats, plus a selfie. Fill in your details, snap the pic, and submit. It's all digital and takes under 5 minutes. Step 3. Activate online banking. Once your account's approved, you'll get an SMS, log into the app, go to the settings, and hit register for online banking, set your user ID and password, make it strong, 8+ characters, and of course link your phone for OTPs, confirm with the code they sent, and you're ready to log in. Guys, that's it. Log in at the website by ID and password, create an account, use a selfie, and also confirm with the OTP. Guys, drop your experience below. Hopefully this one helped you out. Like and subscribe. See you next time.